Hi everyone, today I thought I'd bring you something a little bit different from sewing, but it is linked with sewing, and this is Christmas mate number 6. I'm standing back so that you can see us both in the camera. Now today I'm going to make some gingerbreads to hang on the tree, and they are in some sewing related shapes. Now the recipe that I'm using is one that the kids at my school have been making gingerbread houses from, and I wasn't sure how many cookies it would make, so we've doubled the recipe. So I've weighed out, or rather Penny has weighed out. This is Penny here. We're in our matching Christmas aprons, which I think was make number 4. All these videos of the 12 makes of Christmas will be linked in the playlist, which I will put at the end of the video if you want to catch up and see what on earth I'm talking about. But today, so here we go. So Penny has weighed out double, so it's quite a lot of stuff. I will list the full recipe in the description box below in case you want to check it out for yourself and make some, but bear in mind that we have doubled the recipe. So let's get started.
So first, flour, like that. Just do it in batches. You put it in your sieve and you stir it around, so it's a quicker way of sieving things. It's all gone into brown sugar, then you put more flour in, rest in the bowl, just like that. You grab your hard margarine and you put it in with some other ingredients. Then you start to rub it in with your hands to make fine breadcrumbs.
One way to check that everything's rubbed in, if you get your bowl, lightly shake it, then any big lumps will come to the top, and you know that they're the bits that you need to just rub in to finish it off. So it should resemble fine breadcrumbs, and once it's done that, then you add the egg and the syrup.
Let's add the egg. But as we double the recipe, we're going to be adding 2 eggs. But the aim is to try not to get the least amount of shell in your mix as possible, so you don't get too much in it.
Oh, just remembered, we haven't added the ginger and the cinnamon and the bicarbonate of soda.
Oh.
They're part of the dry ingredients. Where are they? I thought I got them out. Bicarbonate of soda.
I think I put it back in.
Oh, right.
There. So now 2 back there. I need 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda.
Right, that's the teaspoon.
And do not eat the bicarbonate of soda because it tastes disgusting. Especially if you're me. Just because it looks like icing sugar doesn't mean you can eat it. Plop of that in.
Put the spoon in the pot then. No, do. Put the spoon in the pot, otherwise you'll level. Right, make sure it's smooth, that's it. Teaspoon. Get it all over the floor. Right. Okay, let's just check how we put we've put everything in. Flour, ginger, cinnamon, bicarbonate of soda, margarine, brown sugar, eggs, golden syrup. Yep, we're good to go. Right, now we can start mixing.
All of the ingredients in. always the surface that you're making the gingerbread on.
Just tip it out.
So pour it out like this and scrape it onto your surface, and you begin to knead it. But remember to change directions so you get more of a space for your cookie cutters.
It's got a lot of lumps in this one. Okay, so
we're going to get our...
Do you want to show the cutters what we've got?
So these are our sewing cutters. These are some scissors, some thread, and a sewing machine there. Then here in the sink we've got some
Can't see that.
Christmas
Put the camera.
cutters. We've got snowman, star, snowflake, and two-sized Christmas trees.
Can't turn it. I can't turn it because it's fake. Right, let's start with the sewing ones. Oh, and I'll get a tray. I have lined some trays. Just put the baking paper on, you don't need to grease it.
Just yeah.
So here's our tray of sewing shapes, and then we'll carry on and we'll do some Christmas shapes, I think, on a separate tray, but I'm going to get these in the oven. I'm just going to take these out of the oven. It said 5 to 10 minutes and I've left them for 10 minutes because I thought 5 minutes is not going to cook that soon. So there they are, and then I'm going to quickly get a spoon to make a hole, and then that will be the hanging hole. So I put the hole in and I'll let them cool off, and hopefully they won't fall to bits and I try and put some string through them. Penny has made 2 more trays of Christmas shapes, so in the meantime I will stick those in the oven. Just realised it was 8 minutes, not 10 minutes. I'm just going to put them on a cooling rack just to speed up cooling, and then Penny's just gone Christmas shopping with her granddad, and so we will ice them later on today. And these are the finished biscuits. I left Penny to decorate them when I went off to run some errands. As you can see here, these are the sewing machines, and I'm afraid I actually iced a couple of these. They are a bit of a Pinterest fail, but they are very homemade, handcrafted, seasonal biscuits with a sewing twist.